Cognitive Behavioral Treatment of Trauma Workshop, an Eventbrite program. Don't miss our upcoming Eventbrite program on the cognitive behavioral treatment of trauma, taking place on Friday, November 17th, from 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. Eastern Time, New York City Time. This is an unmissable opportunity to gain valuable insights from a renowned expert in the field, Dr. Steve A. Johnson, Ph.D., SCD. Dr. Steve Johnson brings a wealth of experience to this workshop as the director of a graduate addictions counseling program and the former president of the Albert Ellis Institute, where he conducted workshops on trauma and addictions, among other topics. Join us as he delves deep into the critical aspects of treating trauma using cognitive behavioral approaches. Here's what you can expect from this engaging workshop. Understanding trauma. Gain insights into the risk and protective factors that contribute to the development of trauma disorders. Dr. Johnson will explore the key elements that make individuals susceptible to trauma. Impact on the brain. Discover the profound impact of trauma on the human brain. Learn how traumatic experiences can shape neural pathways and cognitive processes. Cognitive behavioral interventions. Dr. Johnson will introduce a range of cognitive, behavioral, and emotive interventions that are effective in treating trauma. These evidence-based approaches will provide you with practical tools to assist individuals in their healing journey. Grounded in science. Explore how evolutionary and neuropsychology principles are used to ground trauma treatment. Gain a deeper understanding of the underlying mechanisms of trauma and how to address them. Certificate of Attendance. All attendees will receive a certificate of attendance to acknowledge your participation in this valuable program. Continuing education. If you have at least an MA degree in counseling, you can earn 2 continuing education hours. This is an excellent opportunity to enhance your professional development and deepen your expertise in trauma treatment. Don't miss out on this enriching experience. Secure your spot by registering on Eventbrite today. Event details. Date Friday, November 17th. Time 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. Eastern Time, New York City Time. Presenter Dr. Steve A. Johnson, Ph.D., SCD. Look at the YouTube description of this event for the Eventbrite link to register for the event. Join us as we embark on this transformative journey to better understand and treat trauma. Share this event with your friends and colleagues who are passionate about making a positive impact in the lives of individuals affected by trauma.